أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الكريم. We thank Allah subhanahu the Lord of the world. We seek Allah's shortest blessing on the soul of our leader, our teacher, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Our talk today in respect of Prophet Muhammad is in respect of his integrity and honesty. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, before he became a prophet, was called Al-Amin, a trustworthy person. What is that supposed to mean? The people recognize him as their banker, as someone who could be trusted. He was invited to even interfere to adjudicate dispute in between them. When they have valuable things, they used to keep with him. And that even his wife, Khadija, married him because of this honesty he identified in him. And if you look at the glorious Quran, one of the attributes Allah has used to demonstrate the quality of Prophet Muhammad is in his character. In Quran chapter 33 verse 21, Allah said, "Indeed, in the apostle of Allah, you are the best example for you to follow." So Prophet Muhammad is a role model. He was a role model to the Muslim of yesteryear, is a role model to the Muslim of today, and continue to be a role model for the people of tomorrow. The Prophet never, all his character and his teaching indicate that he was never an apostle. He was somebody that was naturally loved, naturally supported, and naturally liked by the people because of his impeccable character, demonstrated in terms of his integrity. And when talk of what comes out of his mouth, it was truthfulness. And that's why he forbid the Muslim from lying. He said truthfulness is an act of righteousness, and lying is an act of falsehood. That the person will keep on saying the truth, and such a person is recorded as an inmate of paradise. And someone keep on telling lie, and such a person is recorded as a liar, and it will be recorded as an inmate of hellfire. This is one of the cardinal teachings of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, that make us as Muslims that we must be honest in where we work, whether we are accountant, whether we are manager, whether we are lecturer, whether we are government official, we must show honesty. Honesty in places of worship. This must be demonstrated to ensure that the life we live today, we are not having deficit of integrity, deficit of honesty. But Islamic message, like Islamic teaching, help us to restore humanity back to where human beings used to be during the life of Prophet Muhammad. That's why recapping this teaching and its characteristics will help us as Muslims to be able to operationalize the teaching of Muhammad in our life. I pray Allah to make this short admonition to be of benefit to all of us. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم.
يا رسول سلام عليك، يا حبيب سلام